In this video, I'm breaking down how to properly re-screw and maintain your 30-year-old exposed fastener metal roof so it keeps holding up against crazy weather for years to come. So, here's the deal. Metal roofs with exposed fasteners tend to loosen over time thanks to all that heavy rain, ice dams, snow, and wind beating down on them. You're smart to want to upgrade those loose screws to bigger, fatter ones because that extra grip really helps keep everything sealed tight. Since you're dealing with thousands of screws, setting up a screw gun with a torque control feature is clutch. It lets you test each screw's tightness without overdoing it and potentially damaging the roof or plywood decking underneath. Since you don't have the manufacturer's torque specs, a good rule of thumb is to adjust the torque so the screw goes in snugly but doesn't strip the plywood or spin freely. Usually, this means starting low and slowly increasing until you hit that sweet spot where the screw is tight but not forcing it too hard. Remember, the density of your 3/4 inch plywood deck will affect how much torque you can safely use, so you want to avoid over-tightening, which can rip the wood or cause leaks later. Keep an eye out for screws that just spin without tightening. They're junk and need replacing with larger diameter screws that match your roof's thickness and material. Also, use screws with neoprene washers for that extra waterproof seal to prevent future leaks. One of the biggest mistakes people make when dealing with exposed fastener metal roofs is over-tightening screws, which can crush the plywood decking or strip the threads, leading to leaks and structural damage down the line. Another common issue is ignoring screws that have already loosened or fallen out, which lets water sneak in and cause rust or rot under your roof panels. Lastly, not using the right size or type of replacement screws, like going too small, can end up doing more harm than good by failing to hold panels securely, so always go for fatty screws that fit your roof profile perfectly. If you're looking for trustworthy help on projects like this, BigHomeProjects.com is a solid spot where homeowners get connected with reliable local contractors who actually know their stuff. Plus, contractors can find steady work through their platform, making it easier to get skilled pros on your side when tackling big roof repairs or upgrades like this.